Hey guys, Lacey here. It is a little bit windy today, but we're not really gonna let that stop us. We got this new attachment from Titan and we're gonna go give it a try.
Big brake stuff. You'll like it for grinding the trees because it does a pretty good job for decent sized limbs. I don't think it'll do like a 3-inch, well, whatever size that was. It broke it, sheared the pin. Yeah. Pretty good design because it shears the pin, doesn't screw up anything else on the machine. So everything quits spinning once it breaks.
Always have extra pins.
Yeah, I'll just carry 1/2-inch bolts, 1/2-inch diameter bolts for that shear pin. Wow.
Maybe you need to look before you throw.
Maybe.
Don't pick up the stick that I had just thrown in the wilderness.
Yeah, maybe that. Yeah, maybe that. Maybe the one that just broke it. And I throw it over in the bushes. Someone goes, grabs it, brings it back to the pile, and I just throw it in. Yeah, good time. Thanks for the help.
They were helping. So good.
Yeah.
Not really.
But I like it. You'll hate it because you have to do a lot of stinking work. And you get dirty. And the wind blows 1,000 miles an hour out here in every direction, so you can't hide from it. Sure beats the little $1,000 bullcrap small ones that you have another motor to deal with oil and gas and tires. And this you just hook up to the tractor, which you already maintain the tractor with oil, gas, and tires, or diesel and tires. One's the own PTO shaft. You don't have to buy an extra one, which is handy. I like it. Pretty simple to put together. Instructions aren't very good to explain how it goes together, but it likes to eat straight trees. It doesn't like the curvy ones because it wedges in the chute. That kind of sucks, so I'd recommend using trees that grow fairly straight. And it likes dead trees a whole lot better than it does alive. It chops the dead ones up way better into actually what the mulch you're looking for. The live ones kind of shreds them and the pieces get quite a bit bigger. But dead straight trees under about 3 inches, she'll eat. PTO shaft, rotation, big wheel, blades, sticks one side, hits blades, eats, throws, mulch.
So here's my 2 cents about it. It took us 2.5 hours to get that trailer full. And honestly, it wasn't that bad. If the wind could have died down, that would have been great. So the wood chips, the shavings would not be getting into our eyes, blowing into our faces. But other than that, I believe this thing is going to pay for itself within a year's time, just because we mulch our garden, we mulch our chicken runs, our goat pens, our pig pens, all that stuff. We just mulch a lot of things around our farm. If you are looking into getting one of these attachments, it takes a little bit of getting used to, like all machines do, but overall, it's a winner.